Why do so many Ram 1500 owners report power steering issues? Let's dive in. Alright folks, here are the top reasons your Ram 1500's power steering might not be working. First up, low power steering fluid. Your power steering system relies on this fluid to function smoothly. If it's low, you might notice stiff or noisy steering. Check it regularly to avoid trouble. Second, a faulty power steering pump can cause big issues. This pump is crucial for maintaining fluid pressure. If it's damaged or worn out, your steering could become tough to manage. Listen for whining noises. They're a telltale sign. Next, belt problems can also mess with your power steering. The belt turns the power steering pump. If it's loose, cracked, or broken, you'll definitely feel it in your steering. Inspect it periodically. Electrical issues come next. Modern Ram 1500s use electric power steering. Problems with the wiring or sensors can lead to failure. If you see a warning light on your dash, get it checked out. Lastly, contaminated fluid can wreak havoc. Dirt or debris in the fluid can cause clogs and damage the system. Make sure to change the fluid as recommended by the manufacturer. So now you're in the know. Keep an eye on these common issues to keep your Ram 1500 steering smoothly. Like and subscribe for more car tips.